Hello, Mr. Rajiv Garg. Welcome to Knowledge and News Network. To begin with, can you please tell us something about yourself?
Okay, my name is Rajiv Garg. I am based in Vietnam in Hanoi. I am living in Vietnam from last 20 years. Currently, I am in my own business there, and I am the chairman for Indian Business Chamber in Hanoi.
So, welcome to India, Mr. Garg. India is among the top 10 business partners of Vietnam. So, can you elaborate something about the India and Vietnam trade relations?
Okay, see, if you, Vietnam and India trade relationship is growing year by year. Even the target was, to achieve 7 billion by 2018, which already we achieved in 2015. During the Mr. Vajpayee time, when he was the Prime Minister, he put a target about that. And now the new target is to achieve $10 billion by 2020. The awareness among the Vietnamese business and Indian business is growing, and there are a lot of companies are exploring the opportunities to do the trade, import and export. That's where the business is flourishing in last some years. And Vietnamese companies also looking India products very seriously as of now also. So I believe that there is a great potential for India and Vietnam business.
So, the trade target for both the countries has been set to USD $20 billion for 2020. So, how do you think this can be achieved? Because MSME sector is the foremost player for every country to take the exports forward. So, how do you think this can be achieved?
Okay, see, to grow any trade between two countries, I believe awareness about the market, awareness about the business opportunities should be available both sides. And I believe personally that is a lot of scope for improvement, because today if you see a lot of SMEs companies in India, they are not aware about the potential Vietnam market is having. Vietnam is one of the country who is attracting a lot of investment in the manufacturing sector from Korea, Japan, China. So when the manufacturing sector is growing, there is a always requirement for raw material, accessories, where the Indian companies, SMEs particular, they are very good, their quality wise, the product wise, the cost effective wise. So I think that the businesses should visit Vietnam. There should be a business delegation, or the cooperation, like FISME may have cooperation with different business association in Vietnam to generate more and more business information, and that will definitely help to grow the business for trade development.
So, can you elaborate more about how can industry body like FISME play a role or facilitate more participation of Indian MSMEs in Vietnam?
One is that taking the business delegation from India to Vietnam. Second, cooperation with the different Vietnamese business associations and encouraging them to bring the Vietnamese business delegation to India, and participation in the exhibitions in Vietnam, where the Vietnamese companies can show their product, their especially engineering products, or like raw material for a textile industry, automotive component parts. There are a lot of exhibition happens, so that is another way. And third, working with the Ministry of Commerce in India, and whenever the any political leadership is going to the country, bringing the delegation that time, because the focus that time become more obvious in the media in Vietnam, because any leader is coming, so that time business delegation coming, so that give lot of exposure to the industry there. So that is one of the way to promote.
Also, sir, what are the potential sectors in Vietnam in which Indian MSMEs can explore for more opportunities for having a good business ties?
If you see, Vietnam recently become TPP partner, and TPP is a trans-Pacific partnership with the US and some of the countries, Europe, Vietnam, Indonesia. That will open big market for Vietnamese product to these developed market. In that sector, if I see, textile industry is one of the major sector. Vietnam is going to enjoy more exports. In that sector, Indian companies have lot of potential, because Indian companies accessories manufacture, they should set up the base in Vietnam to set up manufacturing unit to provide the raw material to industries. Along with that, another sector, automotive components, that is another sector where the Vietnamese companies will look the raw material or accessories, so that is another area. So I believe that Indian SMEs companies look for the long term vision and look for Vietnam market. Vietnam is one of the fastest growing economy in ASEAN. If you set up your base there, you cannot cover, not only covering the Vietnam domestic market, but you are covering the ASEAN market, which is under the FTA. The duties are very or zero or nominal, as well as along with that, Vietnam have ASEAN FTA, then they have other TPP or other agreement, free trade, where they will get the advantage.
Okay. And sir, you were talking about the potential in the textile sector. Can you specify, like, how can this tie between India and Vietnam in the textile sector be improved, or how can the MSMEs explore the opportunities in the textile sector, or how can this chain be formed between the Indian businesses and the Vietnamese businesses?
Okay, so for that there is a two area we can target. One is the trading, another one is the investment. Trading wise, yes, definitely Indian companies should visit the talking to the manufacturer, those are in the textile industry producing the garment for international brand or domestic brands. They should visit them, introduce their product. Continuous communication with them will definitely help to create more awareness about Indian product. Today, China is neighboring country of Vietnam, and they are providing lot of raw material and accessories, even the garments, clothes basically. So that is trade opportunities. Indian companies need to put more efforts by visiting the country and meeting the potential manufacturers. In terms of the investment, as I mentioned, Indian companies have a lot of advantage in the textile industry, because long history of producing the garment, accessories, and we have seen the Indian companies have lot of export in the past also in the worldwide. So they have more expertise, they know the quality, they have international brand relationship also. They are still providing a lot of products to international brands. So these international brands are going to Vietnam to produce, so they may need the accessories. So Indian companies should look putting a small units there and capturing that market share. So that will definitely help to the growth of SMEs in Vietnam.
So we have been talking about the potential sectors in Vietnam where the Indian MSMEs can export, or can have a good business ties with Vietnamese SMEs. Which are the sectors in India which the Vietnamese companies look at to invest in?
Okay, Vietnamese side, investment wise, I think still Vietnamese companies are comparatively smaller to look for the investment. But trade wise, yeah, Vietnamese company will look agriculture sector. They will look plastic industry, because Vietnam is having lot of plastic manufacture now. And Vietnam company may look the electronics sector, where the lot of international players are setting up their base for manufacturing. Like if I say Samsung is they having the largest manufacturing unit in Vietnam, and today Samsung is the largest, in between trade between India and Vietnam, the major share Samsung is exporting to India. So these are the sector where Vietnamese company will look the trade opportunities in India. Apart from that, I also whenever I have opportunity to talk to Vietnamese businesses, I always say the bigger corporation of Vietnam should look to set up their base in India to explore the market in terms of trade, in terms of the investment. And I am sure that in coming 5 or 6 years there will be a lot of Vietnamese company will be looking India, not only for trade but also setting up the investment in terms of our government is putting a lot of efforts on Make in India. So there is opportunity for bigger Vietnamese companies to set up here.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you.
Garg. Thank you for talking to us. Hope the business ties between India and Vietnam improve by trying that?
So I hope so. Thank you.
Thank you so much for talking to us.